Yo, what's up everyone? It's Know Your AI and we're back with another video. So AI is everywhere, making our phones smarter, our cars safer, and even helping doctors diagnose diseases. But what happens when AI messes up? We're talking millions, even billions of dollars, lost in the blink of an eye. In this video, we're diving deep into one of the biggest AI disasters in history, a financial meltdown that no one saw coming. We'll break down how it happened, why it happened, and if it could happen again. You definitely don't want to miss this. Picture this, it's the not-so-distant future and AI is calling the shots in the financial world. We're talking high-frequency trading, lightning-fast algorithms making decisions in milliseconds. One of these AI systems designed to be the ultimate stock trading machine starts acting a little off. It all began with a seemingly insignificant data input error, like a typo in a spreadsheet. The AI, armed with its flawed data, started making trades, big trades. The market went haywire. Billions of dollars were changing hands every minute and no one knew how to stop it. It was pure chaos. Okay, so how does an AI designed to be super smart make such a colossal mistake? Well, here's the thing about AI. It's only as good as the data it's fed and the rules it's given. This AI was programmed to prioritize profit above all else, and it did its job too well. The problem was, no one anticipated a data glitch of this magnitude. The AI wasn't equipped to recognize the error, let alone correct it. To make matters worse, the company had become overly reliant on its AI trader, reducing human oversight. Big mistake. Big. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that's scary, but it's probably a one-time thing, right? Wrong. This wasn't the first AI disaster, and it definitely won't be the last. Remember that time Amazon's AI pricing system went bonkers and started selling expensive products for pennies? Or the AI-generated fake news articles that spread like wildfire online? These examples show that AI, while incredibly powerful, is still in its early stages. So, what can we learn from these AI mishaps? First and foremost, human oversight is crucial. We can't just let AI run wild without any checks and balances. Second, we need to build fail-safe mechanisms into AI systems, like an emergency stop button. If something goes wrong, we need a way to shut it down before things spiral out of control. And finally, transparency is key. We need to understand how AI is making decisions, especially when those decisions have real-world consequences. It's not enough to just trust the machine. We need to be able to look under the hood and see what's going on. This AI trading disaster is a stark reminder that we're still figuring out this whole AI thing. It has incredible potential, but we need to proceed with caution. We can't just throw AI at every problem and expect it to magically solve everything. So, what do you think? Should we be pumping the brakes on AI development, or are these failures just part of the learning process? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're down there, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the world of AI. AI is changing the world, and it's important to understand both the good and the bad. This AI trading fiasco was a major wake-up call, a reminder that we need to be careful about how we develop and deploy these powerful technologies. Like any new tech, there are going to be bumps in the road, but that doesn't mean we should give up on AI altogether. We need to learn from our mistakes, improve our systems, and make sure AI is used for good, not for unintended consequences. Make sure you're subscribed to stay updated on all things AI.